Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Everydayecrafts. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to Everydayecrafts. So let's just move that aside. Man, I can't speak today. Move that aside and let's open the first package. So this first one is... So, ordinary toolkit, except there is some plastic tweezers. These are special shapes. Well, it might just be rhinestones. I don't see any special shapes. And I've been holding it to flatten it. Here it is. It's a paper quill inspired diamond painting. So, this one looks to be a more full coverage paper quilling inspired diamond painting. See, look at how much, that's a lot of drills. So there are 8 colors and it does look like it does have the crystal code, and it's just 1 through 8. The symbol clarity, I don't think there'll be any issues with the symbols on this one. So let's see. It is a 25 by, looks like 34.5. And on Everydayecrafts site, this is $8.99. And let's look at the drills here. So it does look like it's mainly regular size rhinestones. So some yellow ones here, some greens, some clear, lots of clear. Well, there's like 4 bags of the clear, some orange. Ooh, these, okay, so there are specials. There's 3 larger rhinestones. So some yellow, green, and some clear. So I do like now that I'm seeing a little bit more of a full coverage special shaped diamond paintings. So there is the first one. Next one, oh, that's an empty bag. Here's the next one. So this one is also a special shaped diamond painting because I'm finding I am really enjoying the special shapes now that they're not super partial. Like when I first started diamond painting, all the special shapes were so super partial, and I'm finding a lot more coverage. So ordinary toolkit, like I said, special shapes, and here it is. It's a snowman, stick figure snowman. That's what I'll call it, because of the. Well, you know, regular snowmen, when you make them with snow, you do use sticks for the arms, so maybe that's not weird to have the sticks as the arms. So I'm just trying to flatten it. So you know what I noticed? The color scheme looks a lot different, but because the background is supposed to be blue, but it looks like it's like pink on this one. So there is 17 colors. It's mostly symbols, and yeah, Okay, I see this number 4 here, and I'm like, number 4 is not a 4, but though number 4 is all the way down here, there is a 4 all the way down there. Because I'm used to seeing this like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mostly symbols, symbol clarity, looks nice. Oh, is there a square drill? I'm intrigued because I wonder if I could like use that for square diamond paintings. I don't know. I don't even know how big it is. So drill field looks very clear. It does have the guide circles, but let's just hope the drills cover it up. So this is a 24 by 33.5, and this is also $8.99. And let's look at the drills. Here, let's see. So these look like ordinary black drills. No, they're the rhinestone black drills because they have a flat top. So some blue. Ooh, I really like this color. Green. Some pink. Lots and lots of white. Yeah, the clear. Some more blues. Oh yeah, so here's the square drills. I'm just curious how big these things are. Let's see, because I want to know. So it looks like they're only about 4 millimeters. So not enough to cover. It's not enough for a quad cube because a quad cube would be 5 millimeters. So can't cover up 4 drills with it. Well, you could. You would just be able to see some of it. Some pearly drills, some bulby drills, marquise, and these are some big ones. Oh, and then they put all the background colors at the end. So this is going to be predominantly the background color, which is 3 sizes of this blue. So this one I just thought was cute. Let's see. Why can I never put these back in the same way? So yeah, I just thought this one was cute. I'm probably this is probably the one I'll say I'll finish for the end of the video if I get to it. So the next diamond painting should be this one, and this one is also $8.99. So ordinary toolkit, except there is some black tweezers. And here it is. It's another full coverage paper quilling picture. And let's flatten this out. There you go. So yeah, another full coverage paper quilling picture here. There looks to be 13 colors. There is some sort of crystal code, and the drills are just numbered 1 through 13. Let's look at the drill field here. I don't foresee anything difficult. I do like how they put the little like underline under the 9 in case you think it's the 6, although they are completely different sizes, so I don't think you would mix them up. But I do like that this is in full coverage here. And let's see. Let's look at the drills here. So a lot of clear, because that must be the background, so it looks like 3 bags of clear and then a slightly bigger clear. And then, so I guess I picked the strip with the specials here. Ooh, this is a really pretty teardrop. Ooh, I like this one. I think I've only really gotten this in orange because I was getting all the sunflowers. So now I'm like, you know what? Go away from the fall. As much as I love sunflowers, go away from the fall and just pick some other things. So yeah, I think this one's a really pretty drill. It's like it has does it have an AB coating? Yeah, it does have an AB coating. So some more rhinestones, some purples, pinks, greens, and more. That's really purple, and yellow. So did I measure this? I don't recall. I said this was $8.99 probably. So 25 by 34.5 centimeters. So let's see if I could get this in here all nice. there. Why? Why is it so much harder? Okay, I got it. I got it now. So, there's that one. And one more. And you'll never guess what it is. No, you will. It's on par with pretty much my theme. Which is apparently buy every single flower diamond painting I can see that I like. So this is a slightly different toolkit with the 4-placer and 9-placer, a large amount of wax, silver tweezers, so squishy, and a white boat. And these are square drills. Ooh, no. And has it flattened. And here it is. Yeah, it's that way. Let me move you up a little bit and see if I could move you up enough so that you can see the whole picture. There it is. It is. It is a flower vase with flowers. Is it really a flower vase if there's no flowers in it? And it's just a vase then? So here it is. It's these flowers in pink flowers in a vase. I think when I saw the listing for this one, I was like, ooh, is that going to be this manufacturer that I do like for my squares? And the glue looks decent on this one, because the one time I get bad glue, that's the one I end up doing. So yeah, it's a flower vase here. It's a little hard to see since it is a square. I'm gonna move you down, and oh, this one is $17.99, and it is a like 39 by 48. So a little bit smaller than 40 by 50. So there's the original image, in case you want to see there. And so there are 35 colors in this one. Mixture of letters and symbols. And drill field wise, I think it looks pretty clear. Looks like the background is a good amount of color blocking. And then the flowers look like confetti. But that's fine. I don't mind confetti, as long as it makes the image turn out great. So I am not going to, I'm not going to open this. I've even stopped doing inventory, although you should do inventory. I'm just lucky that I do get a good amount of diamond paintings, so I've given up on inventory. I just do inventory when I kit up, and if something's missing, I cry. Haven't had to cry yet, I don't think, during a kitting up. So yeah, here is the drills. They are squares, and I'm seeing a lot of pink in this one. So, in case you don't remember everything that's in this video, let me move you up a tiny bit. So there is the flower vase. Here is, apparently I went a little flower crazy in this video for this choosing time. Here is a paper quilling flower, another paper quilling flower. Here's another one. And because, you know, I can't have just flowers, here's my snowman. So I think I'm going to try to finish the snowman for the end of the video, but I am kind of not going to have as much time to diamond paint during the end of this year. So if the finish of this if I finish this, it will show up right here. If not, thank you to Everydayecrafts for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye! So I'm back and I finished the snowman here. It's really, really cute. I really like this blue background. It's such a fun color to diamond paint with. And then the snowman, I totally would get this scarf. It's so I would totally get this scarf. It's just like the right amount of blingy. Like it's yeah, it's just blingy, and I do like that there's, hey, look, there's still a flower in this diamond painting, right? In the cheeks. Although the hat is a little bit, like, patriotic, but it's interesting. And I do like, this is the first time I've had in one of these special drills, these square, drills here. So yeah, I know I'm not going to have any of those in my stash. Let's see, what did I write? So there were 17 colors in all, 10 were crystal rhinestones, 7 were special. This took me 2 days to complete. And the main thing I had was, there were guide circles, yeah. And they are actually very visible in the background. So the background, I could see like you could see the white, oh, and especially this second size. So there's this smaller size here, and then the guide circle around it is pink. Why did they use pink? I don't know. And then this second biggest size, the guide circle was yellow. But the problem with that one was also that the drills are much smaller than the guide circle. So I would have not been ever able to cover that. And then this bigger one here, the guide circle was orange. So yeah, you could totally see the guide circles in the background, like in there. I kind of wish that they would just put the symbols in there because it doesn't really matter. Like, and yeah, just put the symbols in there. If we're bad at putting the drills on top of it, we're bad at putting the drills on top of it. But we don't really need the guide circles that much. But yeah, in the background is very visible. But inside, like this snowman here, it's not that. I forgot what the symbol. It was just, oh, it's because it's a gray outline. Yeah, it's not that visible. So they just need to pick a guide circle that's the same color as the drill, and it's not as visible. But yeah, pink and yellow in the blue background ones. Yeah, not the best choice, and I could totally see it in the background. But from farther away, you don't see it as much. But when you're diamond painting, you're like, grr. But yeah, no. Other than that, it's a very cute diamond painting of this snowman here. So that's all I actually finished for this video. I know I kitted up another one, but I didn't finish it. So that will just finish of that will show up eventually since it's kitted up. So thank you to Everydayecrafts for sending this item and the other items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!